How to learn English quickly. Learning English quickly can feel like a daunting task, but with the right approach, it can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Let me tell you the story of Zainab, a young woman who had always dreamed of traveling the world. One day, she received an incredible opportunity, a job interview for her dream position in London. However, there was one major obstacle. Zainab needed to significantly improve her English skills within just a few months to be considered for the role. Determined to seize this opportunity, Zainab knew she had to immerse herself in the language. She started with small but impactful changes. The first thing she did was switch her phone settings to English. This simple change meant that every time she checked her messages, social media, she was engaging with English. It forced her to think and operate in the language daily, making it a natural part of her routine. Zainab also began following English-speaking influencers and content creators on social media. This exposed her to everyday, conversational English, slang, and cultural references, helping her understand how the language was used in real-life situations. To further enhance her listening skills, Zainab chose to begin watch her favorite TV shows with English subtitles. This not only helped her grasp how words were pronounced but also taught her how they were used in various contexts. Over time, her comprehension improved, and she even started picking up on common phrases and expressions. Recognizing the importance of consistent practice, Zainab incorporated language learning apps into her daily routine. During her commute, she would spend 15 to 20 minutes each day practicing vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. These short, focused sessions made learning feel less overwhelming and more manageable. Additionally, Zainab knew that speaking the language was crucial to gaining fluency. She joined a local English conversation group where she could practice speaking with others in a supportive environment. Initially nervous about making mistakes, Zainab soon realized that everyone in the group was there to learn. Just like her, the more she practiced, the more confident she became. To improve her writing skills, Zainab started keeping a daily journal in English. Each night, she would write a short entry about her day, her thoughts, or anything she had learned. This not only helped her practice sentence structure and grammar but also allowed her to reflect on her progress. She often looked back at her earlier entries and felt proud of how far she had come. Months passed, and the day of Zainab's interview finally arrived. Thanks to her consistent efforts and dedication, she was able to communicate clearly and confidently. The interviewers were impressed not only by her language skills but also by her determination and growth. In the end, Zainab got the job, and her dream of living and working in London became a reality. Zainab's story is a testament to the fact that learning English quickly is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. By immersing herself in the language, practicing regularly, and staying committed, she was able to reach her goal. If you're looking to improve your English, take inspiration from Zainab. Start with small, consistent steps. Immerse yourself in the language and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Start your journey today, and who knows where it might take you. If you want to watch more English learning videos, then subscribe to my YouTube channel.